What is Boosta? Boosta is an international IT company that builds and develops digital businesses. It was founded in 2014. Since then, more than 600 professionals have joined the Boosta team. Boosta boasts a strong portfolio of many successful IT products and projects. The company has hundreds of thousands of clients worldwide. In 2022, the company launched its own investment fund burner. In 2023, the company founded Boosta Startup Factory. It is a startup studio that allows ambitious people to grow products from scratch.
I love Boosta for good working conditions, for a possibility to work remotely from the office, from a co-working space, from home. We have flexible hours, which is very convenient.
I'm driven by being part of a big story. Boosta is all about achieving ambitious goals and fantastic results. Also, we have a lot of successful products and exciting projects.
As an HR business partner, I know better than anyone how incredible people in Boosta are. They're always ready to share their expertise and help.
I like Boosta for the opportunity of career growth and transparent grading, and also for many perks and excellent conditions that allow me to concentrate on work.
I love Boosta for the resources the company invests in developing professionals. We have compensation for professional development, mentoring programs, our own library, and much more.
I feel valued here, and for me, Boosta is about everyday growth.
If you ask me to describe Boosta in one sentence, I would say, when the impossible becomes possible. At Boosta, we don't say, no, we can't do this. We say, let's do it.